This system here will not fail you. So I will put you in jail for 3 days. I'm going to let you out and we will continue on probation. And if you mess with me again, next time it's going to be 6.
Did you catch that? The judge isn't just threatening jail time. She's layering progressive sentencing. It's a clever legal move. Each violation doubles the consequence, forcing compliance through escalating accountability. But notice the tone. This isn't cruelty. It's tough love wrapped in legal authority.
Stays in jail. And the next time it's going to be 12. And we're going to continue. And I will let you out until you successfully complete this probation. I will not allow you to fail. Do you understand? Being a young Black man in society today is hard enough as it is. Don't make it harder by getting either convictions, picking up new cases. I mean, look at what your mom's going through in life now. It's not easy. And when you pick up more criminal cases, all you do, you're not making it hard for you, you're making it hard for her. Thank you so much for coming. You were on probation and it's not going well.
All right, pause for a second. The tension here is thick. You can feel that this young man's running out of second chances. Question for you. Do you think judges should get personally involved like this, micromanaging a defendant's progress? Or is that overstepping? Drop your take in the comments below.
We're bringing you here now in an effort to reach out to you before we put you in jail because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. And it's amazing how having you come here actually gets the spark to go, because I see that you've now completed the gun safety class. How many months is he overdue on that?
He's been on probation since February.
He's been on probation since February.
February.
Has he done anything?
No, this was the first thing he's done.
So do you want to go to jail? You're begging for it. What else does he have to do?
Thinking for a change.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Which thinking for a change are we doing?
It's the long.
It's the long one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I now have to micromanage you because apparently you're unable to get things done on yourself. I'm now sending you for a drug test. I want to know and I want to make sure that you're clean. And I hope above all else that you are clean, because you are not to use any marijuana. You're not to use any alcohol, anything while you're on probation. Do you understand? What's been going on, Mom? Why is he not in compliance? He hasn't done anything since February. We're now in December, near December. You are in complete and utter violation of everything in this probation. And I'm sorry that we have to micromanage because now it's on.
This is where the legal stakes spike. A complete and utter violation means every term, reporting, classes, drug tests, has been ignored. In most courts, that's an automatic jail sentence. But instead, this judge is using judicial discretion, the gray area where compassion meets consequence.
On you to have to bring him up here, because now I'm not having him report to the region anymore. I can't trust you to do what you said you were going to do when you signed on this probation. Now you will report directly to me. And if the next time you fail, guess what's going to happen? Right. Shatori, I'd like to send her for a drug test right now. And then what we're going to do is I'm sending you for 2 weeks. You must be enrolled and have at least one class on the Thinking for a Change done. If you fail to do it, a warrant for your arrest will be issued. And I'm not promising anything now, but I'm sending you for a drug test and I'm hoping that you are negative. Do you understand? Okay, take a seat for me. I'll plan with you, ma'am, 2 weeks. He's got to be back with proof that he's enrolled in the Thinking for a Change. He's got at least to have one class done. Is it one time a week or how does it work?
It's 1 time a week.
And it's like 3-4 months? How long is it?
12 weeks.
It's 12 weeks that you have to go 1 time a week. If you fail to go, things are just not going to go well. I'm doing this in an effort to try to help you with this, Mr. Henley. Do they have them online, Shatori? Online? Shh.
Yes, I'll give him a list of places he can go right now.
But it can be done online. There's absolutely no excuse. Okay. What about, did you graduate from high school?
That's not yet. It's still my senior.
You're in your senior year. That is a condition of his probation as well, that you graduate from high school. I'm not letting you go out of this until you graduate from high school. Do you understand?
So,
Okay. All right. So let's send him for a drug test now. We'll have him come back and
Hold up. This is the first sigh of relief we've heard all day. That clean drug test, it's not just a result, it's a reset button. Watch how the judge softens here. She's still firm, but you can tell she wants him to win. This is courtroom humanity, the law flexing its heart.
Shatori, I got him. Good job being negative. I'm proud of you. Good job. I'm glad. That really makes me happy. You're doing good. I mean, you're not doing good, but I'm happy that you're negative. That's a good start. Stay in school, man. I'm telling you, the more you go in school, the more you will earn in life.
so,
Ask anybody. That's what it means. You know, your life being a young black man in society today is hard enough as it is. Don't make it harder by getting either convictions, picking up new cases. I mean, look at what your mom's going through in life now. It's not easy. And when you pick up more criminal cases, all you do, you're not making it hard for you. You're making it hard for her because she has to take time out, has to come to court, Uber, spend money when she doesn't want to. It could be spent on going out to eat, you know?
so,
I understand things are tough. And I'll let you report with Shatoria, you know, yeah, virtually, okay?
For the year?
Right.
Okay.
If he doesn't start doing it, it's just, I got to put him in jail. I need you to understand. If you continue to toy with me one more time, this system here will not fail you. So I will put you in jail for 3 days. I'm going to let you out and we will continue on probation. And if you mess with me again, next time it's going to be 6 days in jail. And the next time it's going to be 12. And we're going to continue. And I will let you out until you successfully complete this probation. I will not allow you to fail.
so,
Do you understand? The minute you finish with this class, I'll take you off. So as soon as you get it done, the day after you get it done, I'll let you off early.
so,
But if you toy with me again, get ready to spend the weekend with me. Do you understand?
so.
Don't make life more difficult than it is. Okay? Shatori, you let me know next time we have a mucka. Okay? You were Destiny Collins. We issued a warrant for your arrest because you failed to appear for court, man.
The paperwork, I told him the same paperwork. It said I was supposed to appear today. If that's the case, my bail's bond company should have told me the same thing. But my court date was for today.
You were ordered to appear 11/22 of 24.
I got out of jail that day. I was released from jail on Wednesday of this week, last week that just passed. So it was no way possible. I could have made it to court that same day. I got released from jail again. And I didn't get released from jail till Wednesday at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And then also I have the picture. I didn't bring the physical copy because I forgot it, but the paperwork that they gave me when I was leaving, that said my conditions. I have a picture in my phone with my name on it. It says today at 8:30 in the morning. So I showed up today. If that was the case, I would have showed up when I was supposed to come to court. So I don't get that. And I just sat in jail for a week and a half. I cannot go back.
You issued the warrant on the 22nd, right? This is Miss Collins. She's not on docket today.
What's the case number?
252-6615.
Can I show you the same picture?
She was on the docket on the 20th. She was supposed to be here on the 20th, correct?
The bond paperwork shows, let's see.
I'm confused. I'm confused.
It's not opening on the
Can I grab my phone and show you my?
Don't talk to the prosecutor, please. You're not allowed to. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, because if there's a problem and it's not your fault, I will reinstate your bond.
Judge, so on 11/20, she failed to appear. Defendant not present in holdover is what Jamae wrote on the reset. So she wasn't brought up on the 20th. So she rolled it to the 21st, and then the surety bond was posted. The surety bond says 11/20. So it seems to contradict itself. The 20th.
So whoever wrote the bond did a mistake, because they put
Whoever hand wrote 11/20
back in time as opposed to, so what, you said you have paperwork that says that you're supposed to be here today?
I left the physical paperwork at home, but I had my brother send me a picture because I forgot it. I can show it.
Yeah, sure. And you can give it to Deputy and she'll. You see that it shows today's date?
I like it.
Yes, Judge. November 26th at 8:30
Okay,
a.m.
all right. Yep, you're right. Okay, I'll reinstate your bond. Okay. So it looks like while you were in custody, they appointed you a lawyer. I don't know that Martin even knows. I mean, there's no way he's gonna know.
Especially if she's not on docket today.
Right.
Maybe email.
Oh, I have his number. I'll call him. Let me see. Martin. Hey, how are you? I have a Miss Destiny Collins that's on docket today. Are you in the building? So you were appointed, it looks like, while she was in custody. I don't need, say it again? She was in custody in Fort Bend. Huh. Okay. Do you want to stay on the case or do you want me to appoint someone else? Okay, no problem. You just tell me. So that's it?
Now the courtroom energy shifts. We've moved from probation scolding to a full-on criminal charge, assault causing bodily injury. That's a Class A misdemeanor, up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. And if she's already on felony probation, that's a double bind. One wrong move could trigger 2 separate punishments.
Done. We'll do it. Okay. Bye. Can you pull up her NCIC, please? So we can, I'm going to take Martin off
Okay.
because he's not working with us. And do you mind appointing someone else for the time being, please? Ms. Collins, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On August 8th, 2024, a deputy was dispatched to a bar and grill in Harris County, Texas regarding an assault. The complainant worked at the bar as a bartender. Defendant came behind the bar and began striking the complainant multiple times with a closed fist to the face and upper extremities, causing pain. Complainant began to fight back to defend herself. During the fight, a crowd of people surrounded her, and some individuals who she did not know began to stomp and kick on her while she was fighting on the ground. Complainant
Stop and kick the complaining witness.
That's not true.
Stop. please.
Yes, the complainant stated during the fight, a crowd of people surrounded her and began to stomp and kick her while she was fighting on the ground. She stated that the fight lasted approximately 2 minutes. The complainant and the defendant did not know each other and stated that she did not know the defendant well enough to fight her. The complainant stated the fight ended because someone yelled out, "I'm calling the police."
Okay. Tell me, does she have anything else that's open at the time now?
She's currently on probation out of Galveston County for theft.
Yes.
And I think you had mentioned something about Fort Bend, so we're looking for.
Lord, we're hitting the Tri-County area now?
We're not showing anything out of Fort Bend, Judge, but she is on probation out of Galveston right now.
She may have been in custody in Fort Bend. I don't know. So is there's, run full NCIC, please. Ms. Collins, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my public in every single way, shape, form, manner. And if you become a danger to my public, I am first off going to put you in jail. Next off, I'm going to make your bond so high you're going to flip. Do you understand? Do not go back to this bar or any other bar. I'm prohibiting you from going to any establishment where 51% or more are beer, liquor, any kind of clubs. You're not to go anywhere of this nature. Do you understand? Does she have a felony theft or does she have a misdemeanor theft? And then what else is open? What kind of criminal history are we talking?
Felony theft, Judge. And I believe that's her only history. And Alex is looking into the Fort Bend case as well.
Your Honor, I don't have any record of her case in Fort Bend. Looking at the county clerk website for Fort Bend, I don't see any cases open with her name and date of birth.
So the only other thing you see is it a probation that she's on?
Yes.
For Galveston.
Oof.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge, 2-year deferred on Galveston.
So here's the big picture. 2 defendants, 2 crossroads. One fighting to stay clean, the other tangled in overlapping charges. But the through line? Judges walking that razor's edge between mercy and accountability. Makes you wonder, is justice more about punishment or rehabilitation?
How old are you, ma'am?
23.
What do you do for a living?
Right now I work 2 jobs and I live alone. I live in the Fort Bend County area.
How much money do you make a month, ma'am?
My monthly income, I say my intake probably about $3,800.
I need you to fill out an application because I don't know if you're going to qualify for an appointed lawyer, ma'am. And I'll take a look at the application. The only thing I'm going to tell you is that when you're on felony probation, you're supposed to be extra special good. And when you're not, they usually file motions to revoke. So I would be on the lookout because if you're on probation or parole at this time, it's very possible that they issue a felony warrant in that case with the fact that you picked up this new case. So understand, no alcohol, no drugs. Do you understand? Okay, do you mind giving an application, please? All right, I'm gonna have you fill out the application and then we'll, do not leave until you sign all our bond conditions, ma'am. Okay.